Welcome to CJY Money Entertainments. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. So, slap that subscribe button. If you want to find out more information about the Flex Seal or Flex Paste, look in my description below this video. This is Flex Seal products. This one is Flex Seal Clear. It's supposed to stop leaks, seal your roofing, around your paneling. It's supposed to be good for roofs, skylights, foundation, chimneys, downpours, vents, pipes. And I know you've seen this on TV. It's liquid rubber. This has worked for me. This one is clear. This goes for about anywhere from $12 to $15. It does a quick job for a small leak. I wouldn't say that it does for a big leak. So I went and I tried the new, this is called Flexa Paste. It is a mess. It's everywhere. It doesn't want to stay. I cleaned it up. I'm using a dowel. So right now I'm going to try to smooth it out a little bit more using my hand and see how that will work around. Now, it's all smoothed out. I didn't do the drywall. If you see how messy it is on the outside, that is how messy it is to coat with this. This is supposed to be able to stop bigger leaks, which I'm going to show you my leak and show you what I was trying to fix, as well as help the foundation. And when it gets through sealing, it's like a rubber sealant. This small container right here is 6 pounds, which is 2.72 kilograms. And it is supposed to be able to do at least 6 feet because it's 6 pounds. I totally disagree. It did work on this hole on the right side. It does come in white, black, and clear. You're supposed to be able to just roll it on. That's not true. It sticks to everything. You are supposed to keep this, which is a dry pack, on the top so it doesn't dry out. You keep this, which is like a foil sealant. So every time that you use it, you press in the middle and you press down on the sides so it doesn't get hard. When it does get hard, it looks like this. A hard rubber sealant. And if you notice, it's still sticky a little in the back. This is a mess. It sticks to everything. It doesn't really stay on the wood. It's very hard to keep it from drying out on the top, if you notice. What I'm going to say about the Flex Paste, I'm not really feeling it. It was supposed to help, but if you notice that it doesn't really stick well to what you need it to, but it sticks to everything else. So it's a mess. It does take 24 hours for it to dry. I decided to get the black paste, and I got it newer. Instead of ordering online, I got it in the store. So this way it would be fresh. And I got it for my garage because I was noticing that when it has hard rain, I'm having a leak around my foundation. So I put it in. It's still a mess, but it did stop it for a few months. It's good for a small leak or if you want to stop it for a limited time.